let's do resistance. It's funny because I don't know how to spell resistance. But that goes to show, like, you don't need to be a genius to do this stuff. You just have to have a good strategy. A lot of people think that you can't algo trade if you don't know how to do math or whatever. But like you can see, I'm a native English speaker and I can't even spell. So let's change this one to bid. Let's change this one to ask. Let's change this break, let's call it break out, so out. And this one we'll say break down. So the difference between a breakout is breakout's going up, breakdown is going down. So we would say false. We're going to set these to false to start, and then we'll change them later. So how will we change them? I'll show you. It's not too hard to do. Let's go ahead and say if bid is over resistance, so this is the current price pretty much. If current price is above resistance, print F. We have a break out for takers. Bid is higher than resistance. So that's pretty easy, right? And then we'll say breakout. I just can't type. Break out equals true. And then we want to say signal DF. In that DF, remember we said breakout is false. We actually want to make it true now. And we can do that by just saying breakout. Because we just set breakout to true, right? Set breakout to true, and then we set it true here. I could have used pandas to do this, but I think this is the easier way for now. And then we want to say LF, ask is under support. I want to do all of this, copy all this over. And then we need to change it to break down. Break down. And then bid is lower than support. Okay, perfect, perfect. Break down equals true. Break down equals break down. That should be good. Let's see if I got out of this position yet. Sheesh. This is one, almost a bug, I would say, on this bot. It's trying to get out of this position, but it's not. But hey, at least it's still doing well. So that code, if you want to, see it, it's all in the bootcamp. Link for that below. But like I said, I built this live here on YouTube. So, use it at your own risk, of course. I actually just would not, even though it's been profitable for me, I would not suggest using it because I built it, The whole point of this YouTube channel is just to kind of demystify how hard this is. You can see I don't even know how to spell. So if I can help demystify this industry, then I think it's going to help some people, at least, get into it. And the reason I think more people should algo trade is because it's like what all the hedge funds and the banks are doing. So it's like, if institutions are doing it, why isn't it retail? I don't know. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's see, what else do we need? Oh, I need to get the signal from the last loop, or each loop. Okay, so what we'll do here is, after this accept block, we want to say signal df equals signal df minus 1 on. So we just want the last line of the signal df essentially. And then we want to print signal df. And then we want to append it to our regular df and say signal df here. And then let's print some space because it'll just look nicer. And then let's put a nice little line here so we can make it look beautiful. And then outside of the except, so after we're done, I want to count the number of breakouts. So let's say count the number of breakouts or downs, and that's pretty easy to do. We just want to print df breakdown dot value counts, and then pretty much the opposite for, oh, I didn't spell this right, or I did, but break out, break down, and break out. I'm looking up here. Break out, break down, break out, break down. So that's how you count the number of breakouts. And then let's print the number